Hi everyone, let's talk about baritone ukulele. You probably have seen people playing this kind of ukuleles that look a little bit bigger than our standard uke. So this is called baritone ukulele and it's different from the standard size and other varieties like soprano, concert and tenor because it is bigger. So it is much easier to hold for some people. Others find standard ukulele easier to use. I switched from standard ukulele. I had concert, soprano and tenor. I still do have those models and play them sometimes, to playing mainly baritone because I'm trying to learn how to play guitar, which I probably will never play, but I want the same sound. And baritone uke does give you very deep and very nice guitar-like sound, as you can hear. What is different about baritone and, let's say, soprano, concert and tenor ukulele? The most important difference apart from the size is tuning. So the standard ukulele is tuned as G, C, E, A, while this ukulele, baritone ukulele, is practically a guitar without two strings. So we have D, G, B, E. And to remember it, I use a special abbreviation. Dog got big ears. Here you go. Give it a try and post the comments below if you like this model and if you are playing tenor, soprano, concert or baritone ukulele.